Hello friends, welcome back to Kaydanivato. Today's video we will explore the chapter 16 of the Bhartiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, which covered complaints to magistrate. This chapter explains us before issuing any process what should be done by the magistrate. So let's break it down. Section 223, examination of the complainant. When taking cognizance on a complaint, the magistrate examines the complainant and any present witnesses on oath. The substance is written and signed by them and the magistrate. Section 223 explains when magistrate received any complaint, at that time what he done. If the complainant if the complaint is in writing and it's by a public servant acting officially or by a court, the magistrate did not examine. Also, if the case is made over the another magistrate, re-examination is not needed. There is also an added safeguard in BNSS. Cognizance on a complaint involves giving the accused an opportunity of being heard. At this stage, follow the special procedure where the complaint is against a public servant. For example, Rita files a defamation complaint. The magistrate records her statement on oath. If the complaint comes from a court, this step could be skipped. Section 224. If magistrate is not competent. If the complaint reaches a magistrate not competent to take cognizance, A. If in writing, written in with an endorsement for the representation to the proper court. If oral, direct the complainant to the proper court. Section 225. Postponement of the issue of process. A competent magistrate may postpone the issuing process and either inquiry himself or direct an investigation to decide if there is a sufficient ground to proceed. Must postpone if the accused reside outside the magistrate jurisdiction. No investigation direction if the case is exclusively triable by sessions court or it is not a court-made complaint and the complainant witnesses have not yet been examined on oath under the section 223. If a non-police person investigates, they get powers of an officer in charge except arrest without warrant. For example, accused lives in another district, magistrate must be first inquire or get investigation done before the issuing process. Section 226, dismissal of complaint. After a statement on oath and any inquiry, investigation under 225, if there is no sufficient ground to proceed, the magistrate shall dismiss the complaint and briefly record reason. So friends, chapter 16 explain what a magistrate done after a complaint is filed and before summons warrant under the chapter 17. So friend, this was the chapter 16 which we explore right now. If you found this breakdown useful, then like, share and subscribe this channel Kaydanivato. We will meet soon in next chapter. Till then, bye. Take care. Jai Hind. Stay connected with Kaydanivato.